Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 1 over 3 sine t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 over 9 sine t square. Number 9, we cancel 1 minus sine t squared. We change cosine t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of sine t, we have cosine t. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here, and we have t equals to number 0. When s equal to 1 over 4, so we put 1 over 4 gone here, and number 3 I will put on the left. So we can find the value of t equal to r sine of 3 over 4. So now we need to change this one. Number 0 we keep the same. 1 over 4 we change by this one. S we change by this one. And this one. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 1 over 9 sine t square. This one we have 1 over 27 sine t to the power of 3. So number 9 we cancel. 1 minus sine t squared, we change by cosine t squared. The square root of cosine t squared, we have cosine t. Now cosine t and cosine t we simplify. 27 and number 3 we have 81. So I will put 1 over 81 gone here. Next, about sine t to the power of 3, we can put into sine t square sine t. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine t squared plus cosine t squared equals to number 1. So we have sine t squared. So I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one gone here. Next, we need to do integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cosine t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have negative sine t, so I will put the negative go to the left. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when t equals to number 0, that is from here. So I will put number 0 gone here, and we have z equals to number 1 when t equals to r sine of 3 over 4. So I will put this one cone here, and we have z equal to cosine of r sine 3 over 4. So number 0 we change by number 1. This one we change by cosine of r sine. Cosine t we change by z. Sin t dt we change by negative dz. Now the integration of number 1 that is about z. The next one that is about z to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put the bounds from number 1 to this one. Now we have the final answer. So I will put this one cone here and this one cone here. Number 1 I will put in here and here. So we calculate about this one. So we have 2 over 243. This is the end. Thank you for watching.